I'm rocking my G-Shock. 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 I'm rocking.
All right, YouTube, it's time for episode 2 of the tough test for the GG1000. Have the GG1000 here. Oops. And a glove, which we're going to kind of figure something out. I'm going to freeze the watch next, and I'm going to fill it with water. So I'm going to use the glove as a balloon kind of sphere, trying to make it into a ball. I didn't want to make it into just a regular jar, so I'm going to use the glove. So let's go outside and fill it with water and see if we could get it to fill the watch, and we'll throw it in the freezer. So let's get started. Be right back. All right, here it is. It's the watch is inside. Once it's frozen, I'm gonna and I get the balloon out, I'm gonna shave off the little thumb areas and make this into a circle. So throw it in the deep freezer. I'm gonna hold this to keep it, hopefully to keep its shape. Set it right there, and hopefully this doesn't pop and cause a mess. All right. All right. We'll see if that works. Hopefully it holds some of its shape. The cup lets it kind of sink in to hold the shape of the actual balloon. I'm trying to keep a sphere-like shape in there, so we'll see how that turns out. Gonna leave it there for 24 hours, and I'll come back and check on it to see how it's doing. Hopefully it'll freeze and it'll work. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. I'm gonna take the watch out of the deep freezer now and check up on it, and see if I can beat it up, throw it up in the air, drop it. I don't know, something creative. But here's the catch. I was supposed to only freeze it for 24 hours. Been a little busy with life and stuff like that, so now I just realized it's been 5 days with the watch, the GG1000, in the deep freezer. So we're gonna go take it out. Made some time today, and we're gonna go and experiment and see if it's still running. I'm not sure. This is gonna be interesting because it's been longer than I expected, and we'll just have to find out, right? Here we go. All right, we're in the deep freezer now. Move some of the stuff out the way. Other freeze pops. Summer's coming. Gotta prepare for the summer, you know. But there is the frozen G. Holy crap, can't get it out of there. It's just like men, right? Want to get things out by force. Well, the reason it won't come out is because the pop is in there. There we have it. So there's the watch in there somewhere. But let's thaw it out. Let's get the little bucket to release it, and then we'll see if we get the plastic or the rubber off the block of ice, and then we'll go from there. All right, first things first, I'm gonna try to get the ball out of this bucket here. it's gonna be hard because I can see it fell through there. I'll break it off if I have to, I don't care. Yeah, I might have to do that. Well, hopefully I'm gotta be more careful. I almost broke the table with the glass bowl. That would have been bad. So there's a piece of ice. I never thought about that. Didn't plan this out very well, if you can tell. I wasn't trying to get that stuck to there. But let's go get some tools. Yeah, I might need some tools, maybe some hot water to thaw it out. Ooh, that's hot. Ah, come on. Oh, it's melting it right out. There we go. We're getting there. And you can see the watch. You can see the watch in the bottom already showing. Oh my god. I didn't think it would be in the bottom, but yeah, it sunk, right? You think physics? Oh, the balloon popped. I didn't even notice when it happened. I have to look at the video. I didn't notice when that when the balloon popped. But let's get you out of there. Come on. Look at the balloon just melting right off. Interesting. A finger fell off. We got appendixes, how I say it, falling off. Oh my lord. Give me what I want. What I really, really want. Come on. Let go. Let go. We're getting there. We're getting there. There we go. It's out. Bucket is out, people. The watch is, ouch. The watch is on the bottom. And it's freezing to my hand. There you guys have it. Yeah, let's thaw it out a little more. Oh man. Whew. So there you guys have it. I can already tell you that it is working. It's cold. I want to hold it, but you can tell there. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's hard to tell, but it's in there. You can tell it's still operable. Not making it up. And best way to, I'm not gonna thaw this out. I'm gonna throw it up in the air and let it fall on the ground and let it take more of a beating. Why not, right? Let's do that. Be right back. All right, so here's the ice ball. I made it into a ball so I could throw it up in the air. The subscriber, 1,000 subscribers without a video, I think his name is. I'll confirm that right now, but he gave me the idea of rolling it down the hill, but we don't have hills in Chicago, so I'm just gonna throw it up in the air. So I want to give him a shout out. Thanks for commenting, giving me that idea. Can't do it, but we'll do something very similar. But here's the ice ball. G-Shock's in there. We're gonna throw it up in the air, smash it, and get it out of there. Okay, let's do that now. Go. Oh, it exploded. Exploded. All right, it exploded, which is explosions are good. All right, here's the watch. Survived an explosion, survived 5 days of freezing. Let's get it to melt. Let me melt this out now. I think it definitely passed the test. Obviously, you could see the second hand in there moving somewhere. There it is, right in the bottom right here. You could see it as it passes by. This glass is it's frozen. The ice is frozen to the glass. Oh, actually, there it goes. Boom. There you go. Let's give my daughter the. Oops, sorry, mama. There it is. Still fully working. Get some of that out of the condensation off of there. Press the buttons. What do you say? Oh, there we go. It's a little cold. Yep. Let's test the light out. Light still works. Come on, that's pretty impressive. You gotta admit, I can't even press this button right now because it's still frozen. But yeah, it has passed the 5-day frozen challenge, like in Xeno Man. Is that the name of the movie, in Xeno Man? But that explosion was perfect. I loved it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that video as much as I did, as much as I enjoyed recording it. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what's your suggestion. What do you recommend I do with it next? We've already ran it over with a car. We've not frozen it. We've all now thrown it up in the air and let it blow up, literally. Next one, let me know. What would you like to see me do to this GG1000? Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Please like, subscribe, comment below. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. This is Chavo. This is Chicago. I'm out of here. Peace.
Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar. I'm rocking my